Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? I am going to make a tasbih, so let's start.
You lift me up high, you spread my wings and fly me to the sky. I feel so alive, it's like my soul thrives in your light. But how I wish you'd be here with me all year around.
Okay guys, so now we have 11 beads on both sides, 11 beads on this side and 11 beads on this side. So now we're going to add one of these tiny dividers. So now let's add them on both sides. There we go. One divider, and now for the second divider. So now we're going to add the last of these 11 beads. One is extra. And then our tasbih is complete, so then we're going to tie the two ends together. Okay, so now let's start.
Ramadan, month of the Quran, I feel it inside me, strengthening my iman. But how I wish you'd be.
Now we have a tasbih right here. And we're going to leave one bead gap, so then we could tie it. And then when we're doing the zikr, we can move the beads around. So then let's do it. Okay, now that we have the knot done, I'm going to cut the extra thread with scissors. Okay, so now we have a tasbih right here. You see this big knot, right? We're going to cover that with our divider. And now we have our tasbih ready. Beautiful, right? Mine tasbih is ready too.
In my heart it never dies. Oh, Ramadan. Ramadan.